9 months ago, I started a coding educational channel, and I truly believe that coding has the power to unleash and unlock people's full potential. With coding, we can create whatever we imagine. But what really excited me is that I can spread this knowledge with others. So I saw that coding could transform lives, and it is also a very powerful tool for social mobility and economic empowerment. That's why I started my channel, because I wanted to make coding accessible to everyone and to break all of the barriers historically keeping people from learning this very important skill. And I'm here to unleash people's full potential with coding. So, to anyone that is watching this video and that is wondering, is coding meant for them? Well, I want to say this. Yes, it is. Coding is suitable for anyone. No matter what background you come from, no matter what country you come from, no matter your skill level. If you have the willingness to do it and to learn it, and if your heart really desires it, you can do anything, even the impossible. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you thought was impossible, but what is impossible now. I'm Ehsan, and I'm on a mission to unleash people's full potential. And remember, subscribe, share, and like this video.